Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your video in a Zoom meeting. So here I've already opened the Zoom apps on my mobile. And let's say I'm going to just start a meeting in here and click on start meeting. So if you're already on the here when you start a meeting, you can choose to turn the video off. So just go with like this, make sure that it's not green, but it will stay like this, and your video will be hidden. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.